Hey guys, welcome to my channel Artie's Art Mania. This is a channel focusing on being one stop for all art lovers just like me. I decided to make a series of paintings under 30 minutes for all the busy aspiring artists out there who do not find much time to paint. Today's video will be the second in the series. I'll leave a link to the first video in the series above for those who are interested. Hope you enjoy watching and creating along. We will be needing a canvas board. Here I am using a 4x4 canvas board for this painting. Then we will be needing acrylic paints, brushes and water. I'll be using only 3 colors for this: burnt sienna, white and black. I will be as usual starting with the background. It is always recommended to start any painting with the background as that is the farthest area in any image. While painting, we should always start with the farthest areas and objects first and then move towards the closer ones layer by layer. In this video, we'll be focusing more on that. For the background, I am using white as a base and a little bit of burnt sienna to create a desert look. This is quite easy to paint as all we have to do is use a flat brush and paint it faster motion from left to right. For all beginners, I would recommend you to try using this technique first for practice. Once you're comfortable with this technique, you can try the circular motion gradient effect that I've used in the previous painting. I've linked it in the description box below for you to check out. As I always say, acrylics is a medium which dries pretty fast. So we have to work really quick when we are using acrylics. This again comes out of practice. For more tips and tricks on acrylic painting, do check out my previous video. Once the background is dry, I am moving ahead to paint the sand dunes. One thing to remember is that when we are not planning to paint the sun or moon but have given a light color to the sky, then we should assume that the light comes from the horizon. So, the farthest areas of the sand dunes will look brighter than the ones nearer to us. I'm painting the farthest areas of sand dunes first, and for this I'm using burnt sienna directly. For the next layer, I'm taking a bit of black mixed with burnt sienna. As I paint the nearest areas, I am increasing the mix of black in burnt sienna. Once the sand dunes are complete, now it's time to paint the silhouette of camel. I'm drawing a freehand outline of camel, while you can also choose to draw it with pencil first. But remember, when you draw it with pencil, the drawing should be very light. Also remember that you should not use an eraser to erase any mistakes made. If you want to do so, use a kneaded eraser and gently lift some graphite without making a mess. Now, I'm filling the camel outline with black paint, completing the silhouette. With this, we have completed this painting. It took me 23 minutes to complete this painting. Hope you enjoyed watching. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments below. Also, you can text or tag me on Instagram, the link to which is also provided in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Happy creating, guys!